Welcome to My Schneider Focus on quote details. Please note the experience may differ slightly by country. Your overview page features the latest on your quotes. Click on one quote to view details or view all quotes for the full list. All your quotes are here with quote number, quote name, account, creator, creation date, expiry date, total, and status. Use status, creation date, or quote number to sort the list. Filters help you find a quote, status, creation date, and creator. Select one quote to view details including status, expiration date, and product list. Click Get Quote PDF to download the quote details and conditions. Note this is only available for approved quotes. Thank you. Watch the other videos on quote request, quote to order, and more.